Oh, you're testing it. Okay. All that shit inside there is rotted. Hey, can I have the rest of it? Okay, yeah. So he just trimmed the top of this rotted piece of shit. And this is pretty much the worst part of the tree is, which that's always what happens, is the disease starts at the bottom, goes up, and it just always seems that the trunk is always the most rotted out piece of shit there is, so. Yeah, he don't even have to cut it. He's got the easy job right now. Yeah, I guess you can haul that top part off, and I guess I'll get the rest. Yeah, that shit just fell apart. He's gonna try to go for the rest of it. I'll cut the rest of it. Can I cut the rest of it? Oh, you.
I'm trying to figure out where the...
Cut it down the middle. Started out shit anyway. Yeah, I'll cut it.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god, really? Roll what? Okay. All right.
All the way to the edge.
Oh. Yeah. All right. Let it down. Hold on. Let's go.
There it goes.
Asshole can shit my eyes.
You're on the saw side.
Yeah, I know, you
Here.
bitch.
Pick
Pick
it up.
the thing up. Pick it up. Here it goes. It's recording already.
Get cutting. What are you doing? What's your glove doing on the ground? Ready, set, go. Keep it. What is wrong? Hey, listen. That's good. Hey, Nick.
Yeah.
So you keep the throttle on, and what I was finding was if I keep the throttle on full, I can find a spot where it pulls itself through the wood with no problem.
Okay.
It's a narrow window. It's a matter of how much you support the saw, how fast the chain's going, and it finds its niche and goes down through it real easy. You just got to find that right spot. Keep the RPMs up higher than you are. Lift it. Hey, lift it up and keep the RPMs down. There you go. See, it runs better when you full throttle, good speed, and you see it cutting the way it likes to.
Yep.
And it goes right through. I could do a do a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu bone break on it.
Then we can cut right here.
Well, we have to reposition the lever. I mean, yeah, we do. Okay. All right. Okay. Superman. Whoa. Okay. Sounds good.
Cut right through it.
All right.
Yeah. Then that'll be the end of this piece of shit.
You got some roots you can cut off too, make it a little lighter. Oh, another reason to keep the chain speed up is it probably oils better at high RPM.
Yeah. What?
Oh, whoa! Underneath, we have a new. What is that?
I don't know what it is.
Wow, a new one of those weeds.
Yep.
We'll save it and see what it becomes. Don't let the tractor kill it. All right, are you going to keep the RPMs up on the chain?
Yeah.
So?
I hold it all the way and it gets stuck.
All right, well then pull it up and bring the RPMs back up and then slowly put it back in and then hold that rate of feed. Or I want to cut it. Don't yank the rope right off the starter. Now what? Well, you know.
It really is.
Can I? Let me add it. Yeah.
Okay, get
Let me-
this damn thing started. Thing sucks.
the brake is stuck on brake is stuck on for some reason.
So we ran out of gas,
It's a pain in the ass.
and then we get gas in it, and then now we got brake issues with it. Fucking Poland Pro.
thing I guess I got a warranty on it. It ain't working right. Doesn't seem to be anyway. I expected it to cut much better. I don't know. It turned out that it would only really cut with that much contact. If you gave it, if I gave it all that, and I mean, it's already, even with no load, it's not running right.
Yep.
And we can just move these out of the way.
Yeah.
I need to get a hat. I can't see what I'm doing anymore. I came close to killing that plant, whatever that is. That wasn't there.
If what was? Oh.
Here. I can lift it up and over it. Maybe. Nah.
I can help you lift that one across. Alright.
Do that later.
Okay.
Woo!
Piece of shit chainsaw.
Poor thing. And it would be out of fucking gas. I guess I should have taken it and thrown it on 208 last weekend. Hi. Roddy. What do you
Homer
think?
can't do it. He's too light.
Oh yeah.
He's 100
What's gonna happen?
pounds.
Like this? Alright, well. Can I drag it? No, can't drag it either. Can't get it through there. It's just gonna make me have to fucking work. Of course.
Okay.
Get my gloves stuck underneath.
Brr.
And that one. See, motherfucker.
Yeah. Is he gonna make it? Let's see it. Boom. Fucking destroyed the fence somewhere. Oh my god. Now he's on a fucking rampage.
He's in the fucking way.
It's over. Yeah, I probably need to do my part and take all that rotted shit.
Yeah, that fucking fence won't stay over there.
Doing.
That's fucking believable. Fuck you.
Howdy, y'all. This is Nick back with another wonderful project video. We are on week 15 of this project, and so far this is going to be the most active week we've had, because instead of being here weekends, we're actually going to be spending half of a actual week here from right now, which is pretty much today's over, Wednesday, the 17th. Yeah, okay, but anyway, we're going to be here Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. So anyway, to start off this wonderful week, we ended up with this. She's a 1968 Ford 2000 tractor, all-purpose, agricultural, and it came with a 5-foot shredder. Show you the shredder here. It has a 3-cylinder gas engine, and it's an 8-speed. When I first looked at this tractor, the owner thought it was a 71, but it actually turned out to be a 68, which he had, the person who he bought it from told him that it was like a 71 or a 72, but it actually, I decoded the serial number. It turned out to be a 68. And I mean, so far it's mostly original from what it looks like to me. It's got new tires on it. The fronts are from 2015 and the rears are from 2017. You could say they're new, but they're in really good condition and they're very recent, so they're good tires. And So that's what we spent our first day of this week doing, was getting this tractor here. And then we started doing chainsaw work, and that turned into a disaster. But anyway, I'll just cut to the video now. Yep, so the I guess you'd call war with this tree is pretty much over. It has all been destroyed and annihilated, and now we just got piles of crap, and we got nice space, and we got space for this beautiful tractor right here. So here's just a quick side note to add to this video. Yeah, y'all just saw what we did with this tree, and we got it annihilated. But we didn't annihilate this tree without losing something. And what did we lose? We lost our 20-inch chainsaw. Why? Because it's a piece of shit. As y'all saw last video, we had put a new barn chain on it. Then all of a sudden, the barn chain, the chain wasn't moving right. It was stalling and crap. Then we figured that it was the brake, so we took the brake out and we got it to spin, but then now the chain won't tighten. And previously, actually before we even took the brake out, the chain was already getting all loose and messed up to begin with. So now we're pretty much looking at returning a chainsaw, but I'm just happy that we got this tree pretty much completed. And I'll probably go over this, I don't know, maybe with another chainsaw, who knows. But now that this tree is out of the way, it makes a perfect opportunity to get this tractor in here. But we also got to look out, because there's some other trees in here. There's at least 2 other trees in here from satellite view that fell, and there's so many freaking weeds that we can't tell what is what. I mean, we got a trunk right here. You can probably barely see it. It fell on the LTD. Have no idea how big it really is and the condition of it, whether it's solid or whether it's just easy rotted out crap. Got some sticks here, so we're gonna have to go over this area before we put the tractor to good work, because we don't want to mess up our shredder. But the primary focus with the shredder is to get shit like this shredded into pieces, so we don't even have to do all that stacking we did along there. We pretty much got enough over there. We were thinking that we would just put these weeds along the property line so we have some privacy, but we got enough. It's just a matter of getting rid of a lot, and yeah. Yeah, as you can see, we got some storming going on. Of course, so the only week we actually get to be out here, we don't even really get a full week. We miss 2 days, and then it turns out that this week is going to be 2 days worth of rain. So I don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to do as much as we can this week. And we're hoping we can get all this shit, this trash, to the dump. And we can get our tractor in here, grind this all up. I don't know, might get a chainsaw this week, who knows. Yeah. And we also got another thing we're going to be moving in here for the extra bigger thing, and that will be later on, but y'all will find out what it eventually it is. But we're going to try to get that done this week. And yeah, that's my goals. Hopefully we can meet most of them. Yeah. Yep. So I'm just enjoying the scenery over here because there's a storm rolling in and mosquitoes are freaking everywhere. Oh my god. The poor tractor's gonna get rained on. So we got last minute precautions going on as the storm is raging towards us. Got a bag over the seat at least.
You see?
Yep. So light showing.